Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So, children, you know that we have done the revision of the chapter number 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now, prepare yourself for the assessment, which is tomorrow. 4 chapters are coming, right? Do revision at home also. Now, we have, as you know, we have already started the chapter number. Which chapter we have started in the last
Halves
classes?
and quarters, and it is ninth.
Quarter, halves and quarters.
Halves
And
and
it's ninth,
quarters.
ninth chapter.
Ma'am,
It
quarters
is
and halves.
chapter number 9, halves and quarters, not quarters and halves. Halves and quarters. So we have started about the halves and quarters, which is related with the fraction, right?
Fraction.
Yeah, in fraction, we have learned how to write any number in the fraction. There should be numerator and the denominator. Suppose if I write 2 upon 3, so what is 2 and what is 3? 2 means the number which is up is the numerator, and the number which is down is
Denominator.
the denominator. And what does this 2 upon 3 means? Means out of the total 3 parts, I have given someone now how many parts?
Two
2
parts.
parts. Means 2/3 I have given to the someone, right? So
Yes.
this 2 upon 3 means 2/3 part. So how many 1/3 make the 2/3? Can anyone tell me how many 1 upon 3 1/3 parts make the 2/3? Is there any idea? 3
Ma'am,
means,
two parts.
yes, 3 means you have
Yes,
done that complete pizza divided into 3 equal parts, 1/3, 2/3, and 3. So 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3. And you, out of these 3 parts, you have given 2 parts. So you have given this or this, any 2 parts you have given. So how many 1/3 make 2/3? So 1 upon 3 plus
one more.
1
One
upon
upon
3,
three.
2 upon 3
Two
means
upon three. Yes, ma'am.
2 1/3 makes the 2 upon 3. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Here again you have joined late, bacha. Now this
Excuse
introduction.
me, ma'am.
Yes.
Varenya will not join. She has cold and cough,
Okay.
and she has fever.
Okay, noted. So this was the introduction about the fraction also we have done. Yes. Now we are going to learn today about the types of fraction. Suppose why we are learning types of fraction, because suppose these fractions are given to you. These different fractions are given to you in a group, and you have to identify that this fraction is of which type, right? For example, you all are the students of grade 4, 4A, B, C. If we bring them in the ground for the assembly, if you have not given them the grades, are we able to separate them?
No, ma'am.
कर पाएंगे अगर हमने उनको grades
No,
नहीं
ma'am.
दिए?
No,
We
ma'am.
are not able to separate them. Then we will say these all are the grade 4 students. But now we have categorized them, give them the sections that these students are of the grade 4A, these are of the 4B, and these are of the 4C. So even if we take them in the grounds together, then also we can easily recognize that this Khush Desai is the child of grade 4A. Got it? Same way, there are different fractions available, right? You can make any fractions. So can you able to recognize them, which fraction is of which type, till you are not aware? No, na? Rishika,
No,
talking to whom? This is very much important, bacha. Pay attention here.
Ma'am, I am paying attention only.
Yes, please. Ansil and Mohammed Patel, turn on your camera. Otherwise, leave. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
So when these fractions are given in a group, but till now you are not aware which type of fraction is which one, right? So when you learn about the different types of the fraction, then you can easily categorize them and differentiate between the different types of fraction. Clear? So now we are going to start our topic, and first listen, then write it in your notebooks. I will give you a time to write it in the notebooks. So write the heading first along with me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the that you have written all the fractions. So in that you have written 4/3. It was an improper fraction.
Yes, that also I am going to explain you. No, different types of fraction. I have
Yes,
written
ma'am.
4/3 means total 3 parts, and you are giving someone 4 parts. Is it possible?
No, ma'am. This
No.
is improper fraction.
Yes.
No,
and
ma'am.
This is improper fraction, right? Improper means which is not proper, which is not
Because I
exactly the fraction.
Saw the
So these type of fractions we are going to learn the different types of the fraction. Write the heading types of fraction. Done? Heading is done.
Yes.
So first write equivalent fractions. Write equivalent fractions. Do you know what are equivalent fractions? And can anyone explain me?
no,
If
ma'am.
any
I
idea?
only know that proper fraction and improper
There
fraction.
are 5 to 6 different types of fractions.
Ma'am, I learned
Yes.
only improper and
The
proper.
equivalent, yes, explain.
Ma'am, I don't know what is it, but I cannot tell after EQ it is W or U.
EQUI. UIVALENT, equivalent fraction. Equivalent word comes from the equal. And which are the equal fractions? Suppose if I take say 1/2, right?
It's half.
Half, and is 4/8 is also the half.
Half.
Yes, ma'am.
16/32 is also the half.
Okay, ma'am. This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
equivalent
This is
fraction.
equivalent fractions means see 1/2 is also half, 4/8 is also half. So these all fractions are same. Equal
Yes,
means what?
ma'am.
Similar fractions.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes or no? So these fractions we can call it as equivalent fractions. Now if the fraction is 1/3, right?
Yes.
So now 8/24.
Yes, 24.
Because 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
It will become 1/3.
1/3. This
It is
is also
similar-
equivalent
Similar
fraction.
to the 1/3. If
Yes,
I
ma'am.
taken 7/21, this is also
7 threes are 21. So
Yes, ma'am, it
1/3
is right.
is
7 is
also.
21.
So we can call them all the fractions are equivalent to the 1/3.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
No?
ma'am.
Yes, we
Yes,
cannot
ma'am.
call them these are equivalent fractions.
We can tell them, ma'am.
Suppose if one fraction is given and asking that the other fraction is equivalent to this fraction or not, you can easily say, suppose I am writing 4/8. Is this fraction equivalent to the 1/3?
No, ma'am.
No,
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
this is not equivalent to 1/3. But if I ask, is it equivalent to 1/2 half?
No, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
If I am comparing from 1/2, then it is equivalent to 1/2. But if I am comparing from 1/3, is that equivalent to 1/3?
No, ma'am.
No.
No.
Clear? So equivalent fraction is that fractions which are the equal fractions. Yes?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
How to define that? That could be only that
Equivalent means one is given to you. One
Yes.
will be always given to you. This is the fraction. Suppose one fraction is given to you, and now
Yes.
I'm telling you write more equivalent fraction same as 1 upon 2. So you can easily write, right?
Yes.
8 upon 16 is also equivalent. 4 upon 8 is also equivalent, right? All are 1 upon 2 when you simplify them.
Excuse
But
me, ma'am.
yes,
We have to write this 1 upon 2 and 8
no,
upon
no,
6.
no, I'm explaining just.
Okay, ma'am. So we have written only till
Only the
4
types of fraction,
equivalent.
equivalent fraction. When I will write the definition of equivalent fraction, that you need to write.
Okay.
So 1 will be given to you as a base, and you have to find the more equivalent fractions according to that. Clear, everyone now?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have doubt.
Yes, please ask.
How to find its
Suppose if I am giving you find the more equivalent fraction as 1 upon 4, how you will find? 8 upon, tell me.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, say.
32.
Ma'am, 32.
32.
Yes. And 2 upon 8 is also the equivalent with the 1 upon 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
One more idea I can give you how to find the equivalent fractions. Listen it carefully. Suppose if I tell you write the more equivalent fractions according to the 1 upon 4, how you will write? You will multiply the numerator and the denominator with the same number. Suppose if I am multiplying with 2, the numerator, and then I will multiply the denominator with also 2. So I will get 2 upon 8. So which is same as the 1 upon 4. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
And if I want to find more equivalents of 1 upon 4, now I will multiply the numerator with the 3, multiply the denominator with the 3. 3 upon 12 will
Yes,
also be
ma'am.
the
This is
equivalent.
easy method.
Ma'am, this is a very easy method, so we can understand very quickly.
Ma'am, we
Yes.
have to write.
Now you understood how to find the more equivalent fractions of the given number?
Yes,
Multiply the
ma'am.
numerator and the denominator with the same number.
Ma'am, we have to
Ma'am,
write.
so ma'am, we can multiply with any number.
Yes, any number. But remember,
Whatever.
you have to multiply with the numerator and the denominator with the.
Ma'am,
You will easily get the.
So,
Answer.
we multiplied 3 with 1 and 4 with 3. So, you have got 3 upon 12. So, we can multiply with 4 also.
Yes, you will. As you will multiply, you will get the more equivalent fraction. If you want to multiply 1 upon 4 with the 4, so it will be 4 upon 16, and 4 upon 16 is also the 1/4. 4 1 4 is 16. Got it? So if you want to multiply, wait a minute, Varija. If you want to multiply with the 5, you multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number 5, you will get the equivalent fractions same as the 1 upon 4. Same rule happened with the 1 upon 2 also. You can multiply it with the number and get the more equivalent fractions. Same number. Yes, Varija, tell me.
ma'am, you keep making very such bad noises.
Who?
Yog, ma'am.
You, what happened?
Nothing, ma'am.
No voice, Varija.
Ma'am, I hear he is opening his voice and then doing a
Okay, I will take a note of it. I will take a note of it. Okay.
Ma'am.
So
Ma'am,
till
what
here
do we
everyone is clear.
Excuse
Yes,
me.
ma'am, but what do we have to write in the note?
I told no. So for writing part, I will give you time and I will give you what to write. Till here you are clear how to find the equivalent fractions.
Yes,
By multiplying the numerator and denominator with the same number, you will get the as many equivalent fractions as you want. Got it?
Ma'am means one fraction is given only
And you
we
need
have
to find the other fraction.
multiply with 2.
Yes. Suppose if I tell you that 2 upon 3 is the number. And find the 3 equivalent fractions same as 2 upon 3. So what you will do, you will start always with 2, because if you multiply with 1, you will only get the same answer. So start with the 2 so that you can get the second equivalent fraction. Numerator and the denominator 4 upon 6. One more equivalent fraction. Tell me.
Eight
Bhakti
upon
will tell me. Bhakti, first I have multiplied 2 with the 2. 4 and 3 into 2 is 6. This is the first equivalent which I need to find 2 more equivalents, same as the 2 upon 3.
Ma'am, I can say.
Bhakti. So I will multiply now 2 upon 3 with which number?
2 upon 3 with
Your voice is not coming. Yes, Laisha.
2. In the second one, I will multiply 2.
My dear, 2 se to we have already done. Next
No,
number.
multiply 4.
If I say write the next equivalent, you can multiply with 4 also, but better try with 3 first.
Okay.
3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. This is also same as 2 upon 3. When you simplify this, 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9.
Okay, ma'am.
It will become. And then if you want to find, Kush, decide. If you want to find one more equivalent, how you will multiply 2 upon 3 with which numbers?
Ma'am, we will multiply with 4 upon 3.
4, and you will multiply with the 4 only.
Okay.
Same numerator and the denominator. Multiply with the same number.
Same number.
Yeah, so it will be 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12.
4 3s are 12.
Clear everyone how to find the more equivalent fractions?
Yes,
Yes,
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
And ma'am, we can multiply them with 2-digit number also.
Yes, as many as numbers you want to get. But if I say first 3 equivalent, so this way you can do, right? Now, but remember, numerator and denominator should multiply with the same number, then only you will get the equivalent fraction. Okay. Now, write the definition: fractions that represent the same part of the whole are called equivalent fractions. Write down in your notebooks fast. Are you all writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Fractions that represent the same part of the whole are called equivalent fractions.
Then see, we have to write like this only. No. Ma'am, done, ma'am.
Let me.
Done to see.
Renu ma'am,
Yes. Yes. Tell me, Janya.
your board is not properly. I
My dear,
cannot
maybe.
see after that.
My dear, maybe you facing some network issue. Is it properly visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am, it is
ma'am.
visible and not stuck. Excuse me, ma'am.
Then your board is
Ma'am, we have to write this in notebook.
Yes. Harshil, what are you showing me? Harshil, what is this? What is this, Harshil? Can you please speak? Harshil, you are not writing and not studying. I'm going to remove you from my class. Go. Please go.
Ma'am, I know this.
Even I also know this.
I also know
But
this.
why
ma'am.
he is bringing it in the class?
I don't know. Ma'am, I think he left.
Yes. Let me take the attendance.
Excuse me, ma'am. Why does he not give answers in the class and don't do anything?
I don't know.
Ma'am, when the schools open, that time he will write.
Everyone is writing?
Yes,
Yes,
my
ma'am.
writing is
Madam, we
done.
have done.
Done? Now I will wait a minute. I will show you practically also this. Meet, are you writing? Meet Prohit. Are you writing, Meet?
Ma'am,
Yes.
we have to write like this.
The way it is written on the board. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am, can you take your hand?
You please write. I will show you something else also. Fast. See students, those who have completed that, I will going to show them practically also that how half 1 upon 2 part and how 4 upon 8 part are same. See, this you can see.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
was the whole pizza. I divided into the two equal parts. So each part is 1 upon 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If now I have the another pizza. Wait.
Ma'am, please, I am on the last. Can I see?
Yes, please see.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you know that 1 upon 2 is each part is the half. Now another pizza I have. That pizza I did 4 equal parts. You can see here. That was the another pizza whose I did 4 equal parts. If I say that 2 upon 4 means how many 1/4 make the half? 2 1/4 makes the half? Yes or no, students?
Yes.
So if
Yes, ma'am.
I will talk 2 upon 4, which was similar to the 1 upon 2. Got it, students? Mute yourself here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
many 1/4 I make half? 2 1/4 I make half.
1/4.
So if I say 2 upon 4 and 1 upon 2, I can tell it that this is equivalent fraction. 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 4.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So can you see that 1 upon 2, when you multiply with the 2, numerator and the denominator, you will get the 2 upon 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this way you can practically also see. Got it, students?
Yes, ma'am.
This way you can practically see. Suppose if there is a pizza, which I did the whole 8 parts. Suppose I will make here. See, there is a whole pizza and I did 8 equal parts of that pizza. It is not working right now.
Ma'am, it's fourth.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many 1 upon 8? Each part is the 1 upon 8? Yes or no?
Yes.
Each part is a 1 upon, because total are 8 parts. And if
Yes,
you talk
ma'am.
about one part, so each part is 1 upon 8.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
how many 1 upon 8 makes the half?
4 upon 8.
4 upon 8.
4 upon 8. So 4 1/8 parts if I take, I will exactly get the half.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
This way you have learned how to make the equivalent fractions.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now equivalent fraction is clear to you all?
Yes,
Yes,
Write
ma'am.
another fraction.
Yes, ma'am.
So if I give you many fractions like 2 upon 3 and 6 upon 9 and 4 upon 8 and this is 2 upon 3, and then I am giving you more fractions. 7 upon 14 . 8 upon 12. So these are the different fractions are given to you. One fraction is given to you, which is 2 upon 3. Can you find the fraction out of the given fraction which is similar to 2 upon 3?
Ma'am, 6 upon 9.
6 upon 9. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. 6 upon 9.
2 3 are 6 and 3 2 are 6 and 3 3 are 9. So it is 2 upon 3. Any other fraction which is similar to 2 upon
8
3?
upon 12.
8 upon 12.
Yes, ma'am. 8 upon 12.
Got it, students?
Yes, ma'am.
How to find the equivalent fractions?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now go to the next type of a fraction.
And there are how many types of fraction?
5 to 6 type of fractions.
Because I learned only 2.
Okay. Write the second, like fractions. Which are the like fractions?
Ma'am, we have to write this.
Yes, like Like, like fractions. Write the definition, then I will explain you what are like fractions. Fractions with the same denominator are called like fractions. For example, 5 upon 6, 4 upon 6. So you can see when the denominator is same in any of the fractions, they are the like fractions. Clear? Opposite to it will be unlike. Fractions with the different denominator are the unlike fractions.
Unlike fraction.
Like का मतलब क्या होता है? एक जैसे. Here the like means similar. And which fractions are similar? Those who have the same denominator. They are the like fraction. Janya, are you writing and understanding the concept?
Ma'am, means denominator is same for
Yes, I will explain you in more detail here. Please write first and then I will explain.
Ma'am, in unlike, so the denominator is different and the numerator is same.
Also different.
Also different.
Hmm.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you write in English?
I will write in.
Ma'am, English.
So
I
this is
don't under.
this is Hindi.
I don't under. No, but
Ma'am, he is saying he
You
can't
say?
understand cursive.
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 yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, you are stuck. Ma'am, can you show the example after
Yes.
5/6?
I'll explain. Just a minute.
Done, ma'am.
Fractions
Ma'am, in
with
tomorrow's
the
assignment, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chapters will come, no?
4, 5, 6, 7. Fractions with the same denominator are called like fractions. Fractions. Navya, you're not writing in a notebook?
Ma'am, my notebook is means my notebook I cannot find because it's
So then
lost.
you had
So
asked
I'm
me
looking.
earlier, so I can tell you, give you the permission to write it in the revision notebook then. And right now, if you write here and if you erase it after some time, will you able to copy it in your notebook?
No, ma'am. I will not erase it. I will
Okay,
after
please
I
copy
will
it.
write in notebook.
Fractions with the same denominator are called like fractions. For example, 5/6, 4/6. Yes, Rishik.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we will plus we will plus upper numbers.
Right now, we are not plussing. Right now, we just have to see. No, it can be 3/6 also. But just check your denominator is same or not. If the denominator
Yes,
is same,
ma'am. Yes, denominator is same only.
हाँ, numerator से हमें कुछ नहीं देखना. It can be any number in the numerator.
But ma'am, we have to plus the numerator, no?
No, nothing. I will give you more examples. Just copy it down. Then I will tell you if there are different types of fractions given. For example, 2/3/6, 4/6, or right, 5/6, 1/2, and 2/6. So now tell me which are the like fractions in this group of fractions? Yes, Dev Patel. Which all are the fractions?
Ma'am,
2/6.
3/6, 3/6, 5/6, and 2/6 are the like fractions because the denominator is same. It can be, you can say 7 also. It can be any number in the denominator, but it should be similar. देख समझ आया? Clear everyone? It can be any number. It can be 10 also. It can be 9 also in the denominator. But if you are finding that all the fractions having 9 in the denominator, they are the like fractions.
okay, ma'am.
Clear this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now write the third one, which is unlike.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have a doubt.
Yes, please ask.
Ma'am, so denominator should be same. They are called like
Like
fractions.
fractions. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Fractions with the Now change the word in place of same, write the different. Different denominators are called unlike fractions.
And we have to write the same.
Yes, same. Only at the place of word same, you need to write the different. Fractions with the different denominators. Denominators, S also will come in. That also write the S. Denominators are called the unlike fractions. For example, 3 upon 7, 1 upon 5. So you can see here that there are the different denominators. Can you give me more example with the different denominators? Yes,
Ma'am, 2
Kiana.
by 4.
2 upon 4. Yes, Kiana. Any one example with a different denominator? Any one example with a different denominator, Kiana? Kiana and Ahana are same.
Ma'am, I can give
Yes, Dev, please give.
9 upon 8.
Yes. Bhakti. Any fraction you can say, no, which is not different denominators. 7 upon 5, 3 upon 7, 1 upon 5, 2 upon 8. Any fraction, but the group of fraction, for example, if I give you some fractions in a group, 1 upon 3, 7 upon 5 upon 8, 4 upon 8, 6 upon 9, then 1 upon 8. So which are the unlike fractions here?
6 upon 9,
6 upon 9 and 1 upon 3 are the unlike fraction. And the remaining fractions are the
Fraction.
like fraction.
Like fraction.
तो अब आपको भीड़ में से छाटना आ गया लाइक फ्रैक्शंस कौन से हैं, अनलाइक फ्रैक्शंस कौन से हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no, students?
Ma'am, now improper and proper fractions
That
are
we will come, no, bacha? When the
I
next
know.
class. Okay. Thank you, students.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Good day.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.